This conference will now be recorded.
So good evening, all. Am I audible? Please ping me in the chat box. Thank you. Do you have any doubts about yesterday's class? So today we'll talk about Google Analytics. Then I'll continue with the other rest of the part where I have stopped the TI. Why Google Analytics is important, and in digital marketing, how it helps for tracking our websites, especially when we working on a full-fledged website and starting to check that number of visitors in the websites, where exactly how the people finding our websites or in the mobile app. So that are and all, if I want to understand, this is a free web tool or web analytical tool by the Google, which is given. So Google Analytics, it's also called as GA4, the short form. 1 minute. First, I'll talk about some important key topics. GA4, Google Analytics. What it is a free web analytics tool by Google. This is the first important, and it is to understand how people find your website or mobile app, any mobile app also. But if I want to collect data about number of visitors and presence in it in the report, so you can make informed decision about your website and marketing. Imagine we have taken like Modi Computer Education Institutions Training Institute, and we are trying to connect with Google Analytics. Then how people how many people visit your website today? If I want to analyze that number of visitors in my websites, then this is to be get connected, then which will give you the report card. And second thing is, which course you are getting is most interested. So imagine in NICT computer education we have so many courses, but which is the most popular courses getting most interested? So that also I can able to track, and which city and country are visitors coming from, and did visitors comes from Google search or Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. So that also we can understand the traffic, and how long did they stay on the website, and how pages are most popular, and which are the most important pages, and which are most popular web pages, that and all also we can identify, and how many peoples are clicking for apply now button and call now button, like a CTA button. CTA means call to action button. So with the help of Google Analytics, I can identify how many people visited the website. Number two, according to this example, which courses are getting most interested, then which city or country are visitors coming from. Then important thing is, did visitors come from Google search or Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, something like this. And one more point, how long the visitors did they stay on the page, on the website, and which page are most popular. So something like this, if I want to analyze, then we want to have a tool called as Google Analytics. Now the question is, sir, why Google Analytics important? GA is important. So number one, it is to measure the website traffic, and to understand that user behavior and improve the marketing campaigns, then find the most popular pages, and you can track the conversions and inquiries, improve SEO and user experiences. This is the most important, why we supposed to go for Google Analytics. But there are some other industry tools also there, but everything is going to be payable, but it's given by Google, so it's a free, and you can make use of this for your digital marketing. So it helps, number one, it is to measure website traffic. Number two, it is to understand visitors behavior. Then it is going to improve marketing campaign. Then it can find the most popular pages. Then you can track conversions and inquiries, and there will be a lot of improve SEO and user experience, UE. Is it okay? Any doubts? So people are asking, like, in real time, sir, what Google Analytics can track. So just I have mentioned that, like, uh, measure website traffic, but still I wanted to know in detail. So that I will show you in the Google itself. Uh, Analytic tracks. So here visitors, like I wanted to know what is the total visitors or total users, then new users, then active users. So something like that you can address. And traffic resources, like uh, how your website is get connected to the people. One is through Google search and Facebook and Instagram. Okay, then YouTube, then WhatsApp, then direct visit. How? So something like that, if I wanted to know what is the main resources of the traffic. And next thing is user behavior. So here we have pages visited, then how much time spent on the page, then scroll depth. Okay, then button clicks. Buttons is nothing but CTA, call to action button. Then navigation path. So something like this. Next, I wanted to know about the devices, like how many people are using from the desktop, mobile to view my website, then tablets, and also geographical data. So something like country wise, then state wise, then city wise, then language wise. That also I can get that information from the option. Next important thing is conversions. When it comes to conversions, you can measure the actions, like people, how many they have taken admission from the submission. Okay, if anyone filled their form, then how many they have taken admission. Then brochures download. So how many people downloaded brochures. Then WhatsApp click. Next we have phone call click. Next you have email click. So something like this. Understood? And in one area, if I want everything, so that makes dashboard overview. Dashboard overview, but that must be connected to the live server. Okay, so I can take here real time visitors, how many is, then demographics, whatever I've listed, everything comes in the dashboard overview. But now the question is, sir, how Google Analytics works? So there will be a very important 4 to 5 steps. That's all. First thing is we have to create a Google Analytic properties, and we have to add the track code. Track code is nothing but Google tag. That Google tag for your website, and publish your website, and begin uh, the Google. It's going to collect the visitors data and report automatically. You can see the reports by the Google Analytics dashboard. Okay, so step number one, you must have to create one Google Analytic property, that I will show you how you can create. And you can add the track code or Google tag for your website. And once if you publish, then it start begins that to collect visitors data, whatever I have given here, and finally which will prepare the reports. Is it okay? Now let's see the same one, how this is to be happen. So first you log in to your Gmail ID, then go to the Google Apps. From the Google Apps, you have a tool called as Google Analytics. So step number one, log into your Gmail ID. Step number 2, open Google Analytic apps from the workspace application, Google Apps list. You have Google Analytics. The moment if you click, then it starts like this. There's the same screen I'm getting. One of this I will be closing. Then what I will do, I'll start measuring. So when you click start measuring, now we have 5 steps. Look at this. So one is account creations. So what I will do, I'll go for this one, settings. First I'll copy the URL. So this is the one, but in real time you will be having your own domain that you take, but for your understanding purpose I'm taking the same URL. Okay, so name is same I'm going to take. Then accept the same Google product and services, click next. Then property name, then change India, then Indian rupees. Indian rupees, click next. So now you select the category. So I'm going to take the list of computers, small, click next. So generate the leads, drive the sales, understand my web or app traffic, view user engagement, retention, and other business objectives. But let it be all option. So click next and do accept. Sorry. So scroll down, accept this license. Now the properties get created. Now would you like to choose the platform like web platform, or else simply you click skip now. So set up data collections or home page. So this is your Google Analytics. Now I'm going to take this property here. System is not identified this URL because it's not a real-time website. So web address and the URL. Next, create and continue. So what you want to measure? So it's automatically get selected. Click continue. You can see one ID is get generated here. So here no data received in the past 48 hours. So this is the Google tag. So this you have to keep when you want to start in the coding part that you can test. This automatically get generated. So this is the measurement ID. Okay, so what I will do, I'll be copying this ID and go to the settings part, analytics, and paste that measurement ID what it has given. Okay, then it start enabling and collecting the informations. Is it okay? Now once it is done, publish it. Set the link again. See, the ID is working. Your ID data collections is not active for your website. If you want to install Google tag, so more than 48 hours ago, so it's asking like view the instructions. So this is the most of the basic informations. So if you visit here, press enter key. Update the stream. Even small space also matters. So now it's working here. Whenever you are going to clicking one of this area, which will try to collect informations. Okay, so now we can go to my the preferences like data collections. Turn on, turn on the settings. What exactly you are looking for? So it's already get connected like mobile, sorry, web application, and check the reports part. So user behavior, check the preview template which you like. So runtime, real time pages, you can see. So a few minutes ago I was clicking here and it was displaying. So now I'll be sharing the same ID. So just open everyone and you let me know. I will try to collect that information. I have this one, right? I'll go for home. So one is active user I have. So just I have posted the same website link. So try to open in the WhatsApp. Just I have shared now. Just you open. I'll go to the report part now. So you can see number of active users last 30 minutes 10. It is increased now. Only 10 peoples they have activated, means opened. What about others? In the room I'm getting 46, at least 40. I'm expecting more analytic details. Just browse the content, and you can see the country also here. Just now I have explained about what is the use of Google Analytics. So 11 is, please make it fast. So the ID, the measurement ID, if that not get connected to your website, then this report that want to be get generated. So here you can see the real-time pages. So last 30 minutes, so 36 views, and active users for last 30 minutes 13. So you can see here itself active users, views, okay, and the pages what you have seen, like the path, home page, contact us page, courses page. So that details also I can get in this list. So this is a snapshot of the report. You can choose the template what you want. Now you can see within India where exactly it's collecting. Still it's taking some time to produce its own database. It's a overview, and you can see here active users view by the title, okay, then key events and event count. Just it's a snapshot. So here you have what you get connected, the property, okay. This is the one your computer system, like Google site is connected to the measurement ID. There's the insight, demographics, user acquisition, traffic analysis. So in the last 1 month, so I don't want to, because after 1 month if you check, then you comes to know that, because last 5 minutes ago just I have added this, so you will get the result here itself in the analytics portions. So you can go for annotations. I mean, so this is the admin panel. So it is in the settings mode. So check out your complete details, API and other set of the details, and which are the products you connected to the Google Analytics. Okay, and even tomorrow, if you go for Google Ad links, that also you can add them into this area. But right now, just I have taken how you can connect to your website. Hope you all understood. Uh, One more important thing is I'll take this report card, go to the real time overview. So now what I want, I'll be taking the entire screenshot and I'll be posting in the WhatsApp. So you also create your own Google Analytics and link to your website. Share that link after publishing and collect the user informations. Take the screenshot and share that in a WhatsApp group. Suppose if you have any doubts regarding for this, you ask me once again. I'll repeat. Hope you all understood how to work with Google Analytics. Suppose if you want to revise some steps for Google Analytics, number one, you have to create a Google account. Number two, Open Google Analytics using analytics.google.com, and you have to click start measuring. Then you have to go for create an account, like account name. Okay, and leave all checkboxes enabled. Click next and create a property. In the property sheet, asking for the property name, you can enter Modi Computer Education website, country is India, time zone so on, plus 5 GMT plus 5:30, currency is Indian rupees. Then you have to click next. Then provide your business information, what is a business size and other details, and business objectives. It is to generate the leads, then examine the user behavior, measure the customer engagement, drive online sales. It is an optional. Then you have to click create. Once that accepted the license terms and other details, then you can create a data stream. So in that data stream, you have to enter the proper URL or the domain name or website name, proper website name, how I have shown you now. Then click create stream. When you click create stream, then automatically creates a measurement ID. Okay, so that measurement ID start with G hyphen some XXXX number, alpha numerical number. So you keep this safe and go to a website and link that to your website property. Then only it start collecting your information. So check the steps in the WhatsApp. uh, Simra, I have shared that entire steps. My you go through once. Okay, so now important thing is, sir, I wanted to create a poster. If I want to do advertisements, so up to now, this is website digital office. Up to now, what and all we have discussed completely, how to create a website using some technologies, and how to bring them, and how to make use of AI tools, so on so on. Up to now we have discussed. But now when I want to go for social media platforms, then important thing is, one is image, the storytelling part. Like I wanted to create a posters. Any social media platform, if you take, there will be a posters. Post might be an image, might be a video, might be a some information. Okay, anything if you are posting in the social media, so that makes that audience engage. Am I correct? Now the question is, sir, I as per this our business scenario. So yesterday we created our own logo, visiting card, so on, so on. But now the question is, I wanted to sell digital marketing course. Okay, but now I wanted to create a what I can say, flyers or posters. I wanted to post in the social media or in the Facebook, Instagram, somewhere. Then what should I do? I have to create my own designs, but still I don't know what is the size of that. Okay, so I will try to give you one prompt. Okay, so to create a posters without taking much time, so just you go through that prompt. So just do copy and paste. 1 minute, I will show you the result, how the system is going to be generating. So this is what system has created here. You can see. So I have left in the prompt, I have left that logo space. Become a certified digital marketing professional course. Okay, then why to choose digital marketing, what course it includes. Okay, then benefits of the course, admissions open now, limited seats available, so our brand name, then contact number. Okay, and learn practical skills, work on live projects, get certified, get trained, get placed. So this is complete a package. But now if I go for creating the same posters using offline tools like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, or Canva, so it takes its own time. So already I have pasted some prompt. Okay, so you can change your brand name. So I have used NICT, but if I want to use it for Modi, then you change this contact details, brand name, contact details, and rest of the things let it be same. And if you have your own brand logo of this area, that also I will show you how you can add insert in this place later part. So make ensure, are you getting the same result or not? So here I have used NICT. NICT, but you try to change that name, like Modi Computer Education, something like that, and share that in WhatsApp and change address if required. The size of the poster is 1800 pixels into 1800 pixels. So once if you open the prompt, you can see the complete line by line instructions there itself. Okay, good. This is for Facebook posters. Okay, so now I'm sending you one more prompt for Power BI, that also you check. This for data science. This for SAP FI. This for advanced Excel. Just you run them and get me the result here itself. Suppose if you are getting any problem or not getting proper result, just you share me in the WhatsApp. So this is for tally. Superb. When you check for complete line item of the prompt, you can understand how detailedly you have to compose. So have a look once. I'm using gemini.google.com to generate a video. Right now I'm in the plus, means I'm in the license mode. You can see here, and you will be getting video option. I selected video option, and I've given one small simple prompt and asking that to give in the ratio of portrait 9 is to 16, and simply I'm clicking on submit button. Wait for a result. It is for video post for Instagram, and one more WhatsApp, Facebook, whichever you like to generate in the social media platform. So first you create your own reels, use this prompt or compose your own prompt, and when you have license, then it start generating the video. So here system is generated. You can play now.
The future is digital. Build skills that companies need. Get 100% practical training. Work on live projects. Get placement assistance. Call nictcomputereducation.com.
So now I'll be do copy paste. So now I have shared that video prompt. Use Gemini. And I'll try to give output file also. So you can check. So in the next upcoming class, if I tell you to create any posters, banners, something and all, you try to use it the same way. But you have to compose first prompt. If you keep that ready, then click of a button, everything will get over, including video, then image, storytelling, whatever you likes to share in the social media platform to make them to engage in the, especially for the audience. As a digital marketer professional, this would help you a lot. Simra, once you check your regular Gemini, uh, if that working, no problem. Or else you check anybody is having Gemini Plus. Good, Simra. That you share that in WhatsApp. So now I am sending you one more prompt that you generate one video. So you start copying from create 60-second cinematic promotional brand introductions to introduction video for NICT computer education. So from that line onwards, you copy that entire prompt, paste in the Gemini. Anybody executed that recent one? Okay, okay. So recently I shared that to introduce about NICT computer education. I have shared in the WhatsApp group. Yes, Simran, Maria. Aisha, Anvita, nice. Okay, so hope you all understood. Okay, what is the doubts you have, Anvita? So saying that 60 seconds, you have to compose up to 60 seconds, the content has to be done. So within the prompt I've given very less amount of content, so that won't to be considered as a 60 seconds. So still we wanted to compose. Anvita, are you there? What I was telling is we have to describe that entire prompt up to 60 seconds, then only it start generating the video for the 60 seconds time duration. So that if you have any doubts, you ask me, then we'll wind up for this today's session. So what I was telling is, I requested for 60 seconds, but that I described only for within 10 to 20 seconds. So still some more detailed informations to be provided in the prompt until it is until it's 60 seconds matters. Then only it start producing that 60 seconds video. So saying that prompt must be in detailed, very simple. Okay, Anvita. Okay, so once again you practice whatever I've revised, and today I've finished. Uh, Record if you have any doubts for the tomorrow's class, then I'll clarify. So see you all. Good night. Take care.